Are you considering a move to Charlotte, North Carolina, but you're looking for a unique floor plan at an unbeatable price? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a community that offers just that. The Calderwood floor plan by Century Communities at Blue Sky Meadows in Monroe, North Carolina offers 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2,600 square feet. This floor plan is going to give you something that you typically don't see in other floor plans. I can't wait for us to check it out. If you're finding yourself in a season where you want comfortability but not wasted space, and you want to be able to enjoy your weekends without having to clean vigorously, the Calderwood floor plan is an ideal floor plan. The main level is going to have 2 bedrooms, including your primary bedroom. It's going to have 2 of the 3 full bathrooms in here, and it has enough space to entertain anyone your heart desires. Let's look at the first bedroom that is in this floor plan. One of the things that I really enjoy about this floor plan is the fact that there really is very little wasted space in here. You have a storage closet that's rather deep here. You have another storage closet on the other side, as well as your laundry room. And as you head into your 2-car garage, where you'll find your water heater. This water heater is going to be 50 gallons, so it's perfect for a family of 5. As a realtor, I see a ton of different floor plans. And this one right here, I'm super impressed that Century Communities thought of adding a drop zone so that when you come in, you can drop some things, head over to your laundry room or to your living room area. As a trained interior designer, I'm always looking for the positives in the space, but I'm also looking for ways to improve it. I love the fact that Century Communities is giving you a ton of cabinetry to work with. You've also got this massive island to prep and to share time with family and friends. Century Communities took the time to build in your trash and recycling receptacle into a drawer, and you also have fully electrical appliances throughout the community. This means that this is going to be a super energy efficient community, as well as reducing the carbon footprint. Now, some ways to improve your kitchen area. You can opt for 2 larger scale pendant lights to just really give this place a piece of pizzazz. Century Communities is a production builder. As such, they are offering packages and inventory homes. What do I mean by that? Well, your inventory homes are already going to be designed by people in the design center who are professionals and can get all of the color schemes right. So that's a good thing. You also have the option of building from the ground up. It takes about 3 to 4 months to do so. Now, one of the things that's going to be standard is that all of their homes are going to have an electric fireplace. Now, in the past, the fact that they've already built out this wall from floor to ceiling gives you the opportunity to add tile, shiplap, or anything else that uniquely fits your personality. You know what would cheer me up more than this bright yellow dress? If you would subscribe to the channel and tap that notification bell so you never miss any of my future content. If you've watched my videos before, one of the things that you've heard me mention is the split plan. That means that the bedrooms are spaced completely away from each other. That's the same in this house. The guest bedroom is located all the way at the front of the house, and the primary bedroom is located behind me at the back of the house. This gives this retreat much more privacy and much more of a quiet, peaceful, and serene feel. The primary bedroom is going to feature these 9-foot ceilings as well as a massive space to have a king-size bed with enlarged dressers. And as an interior design tip, large dressers are in. Everybody is kind of shying away from the nightstand look and really making these chests that you can put clothing in, books, or anything that you like to reach over for pretty quickly. On this side, you have an opportunity to add a seating area so you can read a book right before you call it a night. The primary suite also includes a double bowl vanity, a stand-up shower, a linen closet, as well as your water closet. And right behind me, there is a pretty large size walk-in closet. Even though the Calderwood floor plan is only slightly over 2,600 square feet, it has all of the trappings of a huge home. You've got a loft on the second floor, plus you have 3 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom. You also had a ton of closets downstairs for extra storage, a drop zone, and enough space for entertaining family and friends. Now, let's check out this really cool loft space. One of the things that impresses me the most about this space upstairs is that it doesn't feel cramped. You have this entire loft to play foosball or catch a game of Scrabble, puzzles, or Legos, if you're into that. All of the rooms on the upper level feel very spacious. This one has enough room for a queen-size bed, 2 nightstands, and a chest, as well as its own closet. Welcome to what I'm calling my Amazon Prime room. This is the room that I would utilize for everything that I just purchased during Amazon Prime days. We're talking major paper towel, tissue, and every piece of goodie that your family is going to need to get through the entire summer. I originally moved to Charlotte from New York City. Drop a comment below to share where you would be moving to Charlotte from. Blue Sky Meadows by Century Communities is located in Monroe, North Carolina, which is in Union County. It's about 37 minutes from uptown Charlotte and 45 minutes from Charlotte Douglas Airport. This community has 12 floor plans, one of which is a ranch. The other 11 are 2 stories. They range anywhere from 1,700 square feet to about 2,700 square feet, and we just toured the Calderwood, which is about 2,600 square feet. There's amenities in here for every person in the family. You have a pool, a dog park, walking trails, as well as a playground. The exterior of these homes is composed of hardy plank as well as brick or stone. You also have about 3 elevations and 10 different colors to choose from. For local retail, you have grocery stores 2 to 5 minutes away, and you have Highway 74 2 minutes away, and the bypass is 6 minutes away. You also have one of my favorite places to visit here, which is Tree House Vineyards. This is a place that I have frequented many times. In fact, I've even stayed at their Airbnb. If you're thinking about buying real estate in the Charlotte metro region, I am a real estate agent with Lifestyle International Realty. My name is Yadi Karina Jones. I work in both North and South Carolina, y también hablo español. Thank you for watching. See you next time.